right, GBMC, this is the video to find the winner, excuse me, of my Davante Adams full-size rep helmet. So we'll check the time, November 17th at 7:04 p.m. I'm going to go over to the raffle, excuse me, and type live. And we have November 17th at 7:04 p.m. There is the list of our 20 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever is on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 11. All right, 11 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Tommy. Spot 11 is your winner. So, Tommy, please get with me to collect your Adams. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, November 17th, 7:05, excuse me, 7:05 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.